Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Logistics to Milan. Today we are going to learn about supply chain management. But let's start from the beginning. The global supply chain has seen enormous changes over the last 100 years. Every part of how we source, manufacture and transport goods has been transformed. So, I thought it would be interesting to take a look back at how supply chains worked and the key innovations that have driven things forward. Here we go.
The supply chain from the 1930s to the 1940s, greater mechanization. In this period, the intent was to use warehousing storage space more efficiently and to optimize racking and layout. These changes would start streamlining the loading, unloading, consolidation and handling of goods, resulting in faster deliveries and distribution. The supply chain in the 1950s, standardization and the introduction of containerization. The invention of containerization was one of the main drivers in making global trade cheaper and more efficient. Although shipping containers wouldn't be fully standardized until the late 1960s, the first shipping containers were invented during the mid-1950s. Around the same time, transport manufacturers began building vehicles that could transport these containers. The supply chain from the 1960s to the 1980s, greater efficiencies and computerization. Before the 1960s, logistics records and data were captured, sent and reported through paper. Data computerization started to streamline logistics, and created opportunities in many areas including more accurate forecasting, better warehouse storage, truck routing and better inventory management. The first real-time warehouse management system was installed in 1975, making it easier to track orders, inventory and distribution and leading to greater efficiencies. The supply chain in the 1980s and 1990s, further efficiencies, and the shift to a global model. In 1983, the term supply chain management was coined. It allows for the integrated management and control of information, finance, and goods flows, and made possible a new range of production and distribution systems. The supply chain in the 2000s and 2010s, true globalization. The supply chain is evolving towards a more data-driven, network-driven, and collaborative supply chain ecosystem that drives real value and growth for all participants. The supply chain is now in innovation of digital supply network. Whatever the future holds, one thing is certain. If we apply the same innovation to global supply chains as we have in the past, then we'll continue to see greater efficiencies, optimization and profit margins. In my next video, we will know about supply chain management and how it works.
Your valuable feedback and suggestions are most welcomed. Please do subscribe Logistics to Milan and click the bell icon for more videos. Thank you, see you again.